Welcome to our animated guide to diplomacy. Understanding how diplomats navigate crises and lead through uncertainty is vital. We'll explore the diplomatic playbook. Diplomacy always deals with uncertainty. National interests, politics, and global events shift. Successful diplomats analyze fluid situations, identify risks and opportunities, and adapt. Managing uncertainty hinges on robust information gathering. Diplomats use intelligence, open sources, and networks for nuanced understanding. Accurate, timely information is vital. Emergencies often demand intense negotiation. This means understanding all parties' interests and red lines, finding compromises, and skillfully navigating discussions. A core principle is finding common ground. While interests diverge, shared objectives can pave the way for resolution. This needs empathy, active listening, and creative problem-solving. In emergencies, leadership is paramount. Diplomats provide calm, strategic guidance, reassure allies, communicate clearly, and coordinate international responses. Clear, consistent communication is essential during crisis. Diplomats must articulate positions, counter misinformation, and engage in open dialogue to build understanding. Emergencies rarely unfold as predicted. Adaptability and resilience are crucial. Diplomats must adjust strategies, learn from setbacks, and persevere for peaceful resolutions. Many emergencies need international cooperation. Alliances, working with international organizations, and multilateralism are vital for global challenges and collective security. The diplomatic playbook for managing uncertainty involves analysis, negotiation, leadership, adaptability, clear communication, and international cooperation. Thanks for watching. If this was informative, please like and share. And subscribe for more explainers on international relations and diplomacy. Stay tuned.